Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel KANYA Art and Craft. This is Priya and today I have come up with another interesting DIY video on a beautiful wall hanging. For the material details, please check the description box below. I have also provided the link of the product that I'll be using for this project, so you can check out from there. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my work, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Taking a 15" by 8" MDF board, I have fixed 2 hooks on the back side of the board. Now sketching a rough layout of the design I have planned. Now we will start with the clay part using Fevicryl Mouldit, or you can use any other air dry clay. I have already mixed the clay. Now I am rolling the clay to create thin strips. Taking 3 or 4 clay strips, twisting them together and sticking to the board using glue. Using a molding tool to create texture. Now, if you don't have molding tool available, then you can use pin or a knife to create such texture. Again applying glue, following the lines. Placing the clay strip following the same line. Twisting the clay strip to make bird nest. Using a pin to create texture on the tree branches. You can also use knife or a molding tool to create such texture on the tree branches. Now take some clay, flatten it using a rolling pin, then give it a rough structure of house and stick it using glue. Using a molding tool to give texture on the house. Take some clay, flatten it and give it a shape like a door. Now place it at the center of the house. Take a clay strip, fold it into half and twist it. Then place it around the door. Now creating some pattern for the door. Take some more clay, make a ball out of it and flatten it. Then place it on the center of the house and give it a shape of a window. Creating bird shape using clay. Take some clay, flatten it using fingertips and roll it like this. Then Again, take some more clay and flatten it using fingertips and wrap it around another petal. Follow the same procedure. Flatten the clay using your fingertips, give it a shape of a petal and wrap it around one another. Take some more clay, flatten it using your fingertips and create leaf texture using a pin. Placing all the flowers and leaves and sticking them using glue. Adding some eggs to the nest. And again taking some clay, flatten it using your fingertips and create leaf texture using a pin. Repeating the same procedure and placing the leaves on the tree branches. Take some more clay, flatten it using a rolling pin or fingertips. Now, using a butterfly cutter to give a clay butterfly shape. I have mentioned the links of all the materials that I have used for this project in the description down below. Now I'll be making an unicorn. So for that, I'm taking some clay, flattening it using a rolling pin, giving it a shape of unicorn. For the horn, I'm taking some more clay, roll it to make a thin strip like this, and twist it. Cut the edges and place it over the head. Again, I'm taking another clay cutter to create flower shape. Links of all the materials that I have used in this project are mentioned in the description box down below. Applying gesso and white acrylic color as primer. Using brush number 7 to apply color. Adding white with cerulean blue for the background color. Using a flat brush number 4 to apply color. I have applied 2 layers of this blue for the background. Now, applying burnt sienna color on the tree. Applying sap green on the leaf. Using brush number 2 to apply color on the leaf. Applying orange color on the house. Applying neon pink color on the flower. Applying brown color on the nest. Applying crimson on the mushrooms. Applying white color on the house door and eggs. Applying white color on the flowers. Applying color on the bird. You can apply any color of your choice on the birds to make them colorful. Applying sap green on the grass. Writing the caption using white color. For watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, keep creating, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos like this. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye bye.